The FCF yields are almost touching 5.8 to 6.2%.
Mark the market open and come right back to you after that vicious Friday. We're opening this Monday morning on a red note, just testing the 25,400 mark, which could perhaps get breached. The Nifty Bank just surfacing around that 60,000 mark as we speak right now. Nifty IT would be more pertinent to pick up, as well as Nifty Metal, because of the high volatility or high beta nature of these two indexes, at least of late. Some amount of stability coming in for Nifty IT, but one would be too early to read into this green tick. Who knows, maybe that gets sold into the Nifty PSU Bank as I see it. 0.5% lower, chemicals, private bank, consumer durables, auto, metals of course is lower by about 0.5%, and Nifty Realty as well is a big drag as we speak right now. Pharma holding up 0.5%, and Nifty Healthcare is also marginally in the green as we speak. Very quickly on to individual stocks then and newsmakers. Let's see what Unilever is up to right now, given that Magnum is to acquire the 26% stake in Quality Walls. Magnum has made an open offer for Quality Walls India. So look out for what that stock does. Manappuram Finance, that's the other one which is of course in focus, like we've been pointing out. That stock, of course, will come up for you on your screens. And then, of course, whole host of other names. Torrent Pharma, Q3 numbers in line. RHI Magnesita, Q3 numbers quite solid and strong. Fortis Healthcare, revenue uptick of 19.5% almost. Margin at 21.7%. IRB Infra, wherein the margins have seen an uptick of about 600 basis points. There's Religare Enterprises as well, wherein the board has now okayed the company's demerger into Religare Enterprises and Religare Finwest. Look out for what that stock as well does. Oro Pharma, after that weakness of last week, they've now got the US FDA nod for new dermatitis ointment. So look out for what that stock does. BEL, which is the Inter JV with Safran France for Project Hammer. Shriram Finance, they've got a RBI has now informed MUFG it's not needed for the transaction. There's of course Zydus Life as well, which has got final approval from the US FDA for ammonium lactate cream. So look out for what that stock as well does. KFintech, good set of numbers there. There's GMR Airports, wherein the revenue has seen a massive uptick of 51%. So that's the other stock which is also in focus. Some of the weak performers, Narayana Healthcare, when the profits are lower by 34% and margins as well have seen a downtick of 600 basis points. NBCC2, EBITDA has slipped about 21%. Shakti Palms, EBITDA slip up of almost 62%. Ola Electric, revenues have halved, losses remain elevated. So look out for what all these stocks do. And then, of course, Natco Pharma as well. They've got a approval from CDSCO for a semaglutide in India. This is going to be a big one, 5.5% higher for Natco as we speak right now. Inox Green, Inox Wind, strong numbers coming in there. Ashoka Buildcon, they've got an LOA worth about 410 crore rupees from the Ministry of Public Work. Look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing. And very good numbers from Anupam Rasayan as well. Indico Paints too, margins have seen an expansion of 240 basis points in the quarter gone by. But yeah, the overall market still pretty much a struggle. The Nifty now at 25,448. Kunal, your first take on how the rest of the day is going to pan out?